Well, Genhart is a high precision engineering company. We've been in existence for over 30 years. We do pride ourselves in making very high precision components with specialist finishing to them as well. Because we're in the high precision market, the end user, our companies do require solenoid valves, and the solenoid valves are used in all industries, such as aerospace and defence. Anywhere that needs any actuation or movement and a solenoid valve is required, we produce components which generally go into them. We moved down to this premises back in 1986, and due to the company expansion we then adopted the premises next door, and at that point that's when we started investing in the Star machines. We purchased our first Star early in 2011. Found that they're so good to take on a lot of the work which we traditionally done on fixed head machines, and so then within a very short space of time we then purchased our second machine. It was at that point that we could see that the Stars were going to be the way to go, and so we then bought a third, and then just recently in the last couple of months we have bought a fourth Star. We traditionally used to have very high precision machines, but they were only 2-axis machines. But when it comes to Stars, they will then of course do a far more complete component, because in the old days we used to do 2-axis turning, then there'd be another operation of turning, possibly another operation, then there'd be a bit of milling, and then there'd be a bit of drilling. But now on the Stars we can do the whole thing complete, and also as a benefit to that we can also incorporate a substantial degree of deburring on the components, which is very important for the stuff that we do. I find that Star are very helpful with any sort of queries on machine issues, what have you. Also they do offer sort of lots of training which we have used, and also we've had Star trainers come down here and train us in all aspects of where we have to involve them in maintenance, in sales, in spare parts ordering, everything like that. We find that they are very, very good to deal with, very good to deal with.